what is the difference between enlightenment and Buddha nature? Is enlightenment recognizing our Buddha nature, or is there more? Enlightenment is recognizing, not just recognizing, but completely, fully experiencing our Buddha nature. The more we see it, the more we feel it, the more we experience it, no more fully we can be free from any, any veils or any mists or any obscurations or anything that defiles it, the more enlightened we become, because there are different levels of, enlightenment. Sometimes the example given is that, you are in the night where there is absolutely no moon, like a new moon time. There's lots of cloud, very deep cloud, and lots of rain. It's completely pitch dark. You can be like that. But then you can have the moon is there. The moon is there. There is cloud, but you can see a little bit of moon. You can have a little bit of clarity, although you cannot really see the moon, but there is some kind of clarity. You can say, there is also a little bit light. You can say I've seen the moon, but there is a moon. You say, but then you can, there can be a night, and the moon is there, but very little. Like a few days after the new moon, a little bit. You can say I've seen the moon, but you haven't really seen the complete moon. And then different levels of seeing the moon, and less and less cloud, and less pollution, and things like that. And then you can, on a kind of full moon night, you are in a kind of beach, and the sky is completely clear, and you can see complete moon without any obstruction. So like that, our how fully enlightened or not depends on, like that's why we say, Buddhahood is complete, full enlightenment, like Samyak Sambuddha, completely, enlightened. That's the difference.